Hey everyone, the Acer Predator Blade Neo gaming laptop is set to make its debut on JD.com starting April 8, offering gamers two enticing options with different configurations and price points. Powered by the latest Core Ultra processor and an RTX 4060 graphics card, this series promises capable performance for gaming enthusiasts. Ultra 5 125H, RTX 4060, 16 gigs and 1TB priced at 84.99 yuan. This variant packs an RTX 4060 graphics card, along with 16 gigs of memory, and a spacious 1TB storage option, catering to gamers looking for a balance between performance and storage capacity. Ultra 7 155H, RTX 4060, 16 gigs and 1TB, priced at 89.99 yuan or approximately $1,250. This variant offers the same RTX 4060 graphics card, 16 gigs of memory, and 1TB storage as the Ultra 5 model. However, it may come with additional features or higher clock speeds, making it a premium choice for gamers seeking top-notch performance. The Acer Predator Neo, known as Predator Triton Neo 16 in some regions, made waves overseas, with its sleek appearance and powerful features, when it launched late last year. Standing at a mere 18.82mm thick and weighing just 2.05 kg, it's incredibly portable for a gaming laptop, thanks to its aluminum alloy body. Under the hood, it packs a punch with a Core Ultra processor, paired with an RTX 4060 graphics card, delivering smooth performance for gaming and multitasking, with its 16 gigs of memory. What sets the Predator Neo apart are its special AI capabilities, offering up to 686 TOPS of local AI computing power. This allows for features like noise reduction during voice chat sessions. The highlight of the laptop is its 16-inch display, boasting a 2.5K resolution and an impressive 240Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals, ideal for fast-paced games. The display also excels in color accuracy, with 100% DCI-P3 color coverage and Kalman color correction, and it supports G-Sync technology for a competitive gaming advantage. To ensure optimal performance, Acer equipped the Predator Neo with an advanced cooling system featuring special fans, liquid metal heat conduction, and heat pipes, although the exact heat handling capacity isn't specified. The laptop also comes with a sizable 76 Wh battery, and a robust 230 watts charger for extended gaming sessions, along with a killer AX1675i wireless network card for lag-free online gaming. For peace of mind, Acer offers a 3-year warranty with on-site service, and a 1-year global warranty, making the Predator Neo a compelling choice for gamers looking for a powerful yet portable gaming laptop. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.